guys, Nandini here, welcoming you to the We All Scream for Ice Cream Hop. We are sharing frozen treat inspiration to celebrate the middle of the summer in the Northern Hemisphere. We hope you find each project as delicious as the next. My project today is made from scraps. I've been in the process of cleaning out my scrap box, and everything I use today has come from that. So I hope you enjoy my card. Here are the supplies. Today I'm going to be using the Ice Cream Dream stamp set by Simon Says Stamp, an acrylic block, couple of circle dies. Here are all the scraps which I retrieved from my scrap box. This is a piece of plaid which I had inked as a sample. The stencil which I used was by Craft Treat. This is called two-step plaid, and it is actually two stencils in one. These are layered stencils and can be used individually or together. I had used a pale lilac card base to do the inking. And finally, I have a card base with large polka dots. This was stamped with a DIY stamp that I created out of fun foam. I will have a link in the description of how I create these stamps. They're very easy to make. And here are some more examples of DIY stamps. Now that we have all our supplies together, let's get started. We'll start with the stamping first. I have one of the ice creams mounted on my acrylic block, and then the small eyes and smiley. And I'm going to use the VersaFine Onyx black ink for the stamping. I'll stamp the ice cream twice, once on the plaid paper and once on the purple paper. Just allow the ink a few minutes to dry, and then we can move on. I'm now going to fussy cut both these images. What I like to do is first cut roughly around the image so that it becomes easier to manipulate the paper. Fussy cutting is very easy with simple images like this. If you have coordinating dies for the image, you can also use those. I'm going to cut it right at the edge. Now the plaid portion is going to be towards the top of the ice cream. So I'm just going to cut rest of it and then cut along the wavy line towards the bottom. So this is how I want the ice cream to look. Now I realize that little bite shape, once it's bit into, the solid color should show through. So I'm going to cut along the inner line. And that's how it will layer. Now I'll just simply trim rest of it. You can start assembling the card now. I have these two circles which I've already die cut, and I'm going to glue the smaller ivory circle on top of the purple circle. I want the circle to be slightly hanging over the edge of the card. I simply take a pencil and draw a line at the back of the circle, and then I'll use a scale and a craft knife to cut along the line. Now this circle, I just glue it on the card base. I have the sentiment mounted on a small acrylic block. I'm just using some liquid glue to glue the circle. I'm placing the ice cream because I want to know the exact placement. And then I'm just going to take a dark purple ink. I'm using the elderberry memento dewdrop ink. Now that our sentiment is stamped, we can glue our ice cream together. But before we do that, I'm just going to stamp the smile on the ice cream. While the ink is drying, I will glue the ice cream. For the plaid piece, I'm going to use a little bit of foam tape to pop it up. And there, our basic card is now ready. But there's just one final little finishing touch which I'm going to do. Because you can see, though I've fussy cut very carefully, there are some white areas remaining. So this is an alcohol marker by Altenew. I'm using the jet black color. And what I'm going to do is open the fine tip. And then I'm just going to lightly color in those areas at the edge. This is actually better and easier to do if you do it before you glue the whole thing together, but I sort of forgot to do it, so I decided to add it on later. I hope you enjoyed this video and will go through your scrap for all the treasures that you can discover. At the top of the description box, you will find the link to the next person in the lineup. I hope you take the time to watch all hop videos because we love your comments and thumbs up. If you aren't already a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing and click on the little bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. You can also use hashtag icecreamcrafts to find all the videos in this hop. Some of us might be offering prizes on our channels as well, so be sure to pay attention for details. Please do check out my description box for all the details. Take care and stay safe. Bye.